Okay guys, in this video we will be sharing with you how to trade volatility 75 with 3M trend milker indicator. Most of my subscribers have been asking me this question, and of course I'm going to be revealing it to them to show them how they can make profitable trades in volatility 75 using this amazing trading tool. So if you are having the 3M trend milker trading indicator and you've been wondering how you can make profitable trades with volatility 75, then definitely you should watch this video to the end so that you will understand how it works, how you can put it into use, and how you too can achieve the same results right from here. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. But before we do so, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal practice on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. First of all, volatility 75 is a highly volatile asset. Okay, that is the first thing I want you to know. You can make a lot of money with it if you are able to get the direction right. Okay, and you can lose all your money on it within seconds. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so it is important you know all this so that you know what you are going into right from the beginning. Okay, so quickly let's see how we can make lots of profits with this particular strategy. Okay, like I said, we will be using the 3M trend milker trading indicator, and I'll be giving you reasons why we should be using this, and I'll give you information on how you can make some cool amount of money from here. This is volatility 75. You can use this trading tool on any of the time frame, but personally, or maybe in this video, I will be using 5 minutes time frame because I want us to see how real this is. Okay, the first thing I want you to focus on is the trend. Okay, because this is a trend trading asset. Okay, if you are able to get the trend right, then you are most likely to make more profit than any other person. Okay, you can be making as much as $1,000 or even more on daily basis. Okay, $1,000 or even more on daily basis. Okay, so this is very important. So anyone can actually achieve this. You too can. Okay, so all you just need to do is just for you to understand how it works and how you can apply the same thing whenever you are trading. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's see how we can put all these into use. Okay, so first of all, like I said, the trend is always important. Okay, there are two major trends right here whenever you are trading. It is either the market is going on downtrend, okay, just the way we have it here, or it is going on uptrend, just the way we have it here. So it now depends on the ones we are having. Now let's start with the downtrend. Okay, so that is why I said your trading tool is also very important, or your ability to analyze the market is very important. When the market is at the top like this, we should know that the market is at the resistance zone. Okay, so there are, once it is approaching this, it is at the resistance zone, and there are two things that can happen here which will give us two different strategy, which is the CIT strategy or the BRO strategy. But the first thing that should come to your mind is the CIT strategy. If that does not work, then you go for the BRO strategy. What is the CIT strategy? It means that there will be a change in direction of the trend. Okay, that is the trend has been going up for a while, but it has gotten to the resistance zone. So definitely there should be a change in direction of the trend. It shouldn't continue with the uptrend. Okay, it should change the direction into a downtrend because it has gotten to a resistance zone. Okay, so that should be the first thing that will come to your mind. Okay, but if that does not work, that means this resistance zone has been broken. It is very easy. There are no two ways about it. There's nothing you can do about that if it's going to break the resistance zone. That is why I always tell you in my videos that you don't have the full control of the market. Okay, not even the indicator can help you to control the market. Okay, or can help you to have the full control of the market. Let me put it that way. Okay, not even the trading bot can do that. Okay, so this is very, very important. If it's going to break out above the resistance zone, there is nothing you can do about it. It's going to break out above it. Okay, and once it breaks out above it, the only thing you can do is to apply the second strategy, which is the BRO strategy. That is, follow the breakout and buy more of the assets in order for you to make more profit. It is as easy as that. So you can imagine, if you understand this simple principle, then definitely you will always be in money all the time. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, using this particular trading indicator will help you to understand all this because it has made it simple. Yellow flag like this gives us the information that the market is on uptrend, but this has gotten to a resistance zone. Should we still follow uptrend? We can only follow uptrend if there is a breakout above this resistance zone. If there is no breakout, then we should wait for the downtrend signal, and here is the downtrend signal giving us a red flag. Okay, a red flag is the downtrend signal, which means the market is most likely to go on a full downtrend. Immediately we see this red flag showing up. Okay, then the next thing we should wait for is the red arrow, which is the sell signal. So once we see that, we come in at that point. Okay, this is where we should be able to come in at this point. Okay, if we are able to come in at this point, then the main resistance zone should serve as our stop loss zone. Okay, let's protect our capital by setting a stop loss somewhere here, and here is our entry point, and with this we can milk the market to the very last of the trend. Okay, we can pick up from there, and the market moves down to this place, and of course went back down again and went up again. So for those of you that miss out from this entry point, each time you see the arrow popping out, okay, most especially if the market, the trend is just starting, then you can still use it as an opportunity to come in again. You can see here is another red arrow. It means that there was a pullback, and it gave us an assurance that, or it tried to reassure us that the market is still going on downtrend. Here is another opportunity for you to come in again, and here is another one. Here is another one. I was expecting a red arrow around here too, so but it didn't show up. If it had shown up, then here is also another opportunity for you to come in if you missed out from the previous, from the initial opportunity we had around here. Okay, and of course guys, if you have an order going on already and you want to place more order, here are places where you can place more orders. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, so this time around, immediately wait for it to break out from this part. Okay, immediately it broke out from there, then definitely you can now readjust your stop loss to keep some part of your profits. Okay, because you are already making profit, but at this stage you still need, because the market is just starting, you still need to give it more room to play around, so you can just lock up 30 to 40% of your profits. Lock up 30 to 40% of your profit, and this actually went down to this place, and of course came back up, went down again, came back up, and went down again, and immediately it breaks out from here. You should readjust your stop loss again, and of course keep more profit this time around. This time around you can be keeping about 60% of the profit, and of course this went down again and it came back up, and of course went down. At this stage you can even place more order, but make sure for each of the order you are placing, there is always a stop loss that is backing it up. Okay, the stop loss will first of all help you to protect your capital, and as soon as you start making profit, it can also help you to lock up some part of your profit. Okay, if you should notice, this is already approaching the major stop loss, which is going to be somewhere here. Okay, sorry, major support zone. Okay, it is approaching a major support zone, which is going to be somewhere here. So at this stage, you should lock up more profit for yourself, closing on 8. Okay, lock up about 80% of the profit for yourself, and as it gets to the support zone, to the major support zone, still closing on 8 and lock up 80% of the profit for yourself. And of course, you are only risking 20% of the profit because you want to know if it will break out below the support zone or not. If it breaks out below the support zone, you will keep on selling like that, locking up 80% of whatever profit you are making at that point. Okay, but if it does not break out below the support zone, then it's going to change the direction of the market and go back on uptrend, and at this stage it's going to hit your stop loss and you will be taken out of the market. You can imagine this is 5-minute time frame, you making profit from here to here. That's so amazing, guys. You can see how easy it is to make $1,000. Check it out, it gave us the same direction again for a buy signal. We got our yellow flag, which signifies an uptrend signal, and of course it gives us an assurance that this is going to be going on uptrend. And another thing we need to look out for is the support zone. Is it coming from a support zone? Yeah, it is coming from a major support zone, so this is a strong signal, so we should just wait for the buy order. Okay, and we got the buy order, and of course, let's say we decide to come in here and we set our stop loss here. People will be asking me, why am I setting the stop loss since the indicator is already giving me the direction? Okay guys, the indicator is not the owner of the money. The indicator is not the owner of my capital. I am the owner of my money. So the capital belongs to me, so I need to protect my capital. The indicator is only interpreting whatever the market is giving to me. Okay, in order for it to be very easy for me to analyze and take a proper decision on my own, and part of the decision is locking up my profits and also securing my capital. So at the beginning, I am securing my capital by putting the stop loss somewhere here. Okay, and if the market goes in my direction, okay, and I've started making profit, I can now take a decision to readjust my stop loss to lock up some part of the profit so that my trade will always end up in profit. Let's say the market got to this region and it came down, it decided to go down back to the support zone. At this stage, it will get to my stop loss and it will take me out of the market with the small profit that I have made there. Little profit here and there will amount to something big later on. Okay, if that is what the market wants to bring. Okay, but at this stage, I will understand that for each of the trades I open on daily basis, I will always close them in profit, or probably I will close the day in profit. Okay, that is the idea about it. So you have a very good trading tool, you also have a good strategy to work with in order for you to always be in profit all the time. So guys, I will be stopping here. If you are having this same trading tool, you can go ahead and practice what I have explained in this video and see how profitable it is. Don't worry, I will come up with how you can use it to trade boom and crash also, so that you will understand how to apply this same indicator on those assets also. Okay, if you are not having the indicator, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description box below this video. Do not follow the one on the comment section. There are scammers that comes around and drop their WhatsApp number. They don't have access to the indicator. I only have access to the indicator, so reach out to me on WhatsApp, and of course we can discuss on how you too can have access to it so that you can make your trading activities very smooth. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then,